Stop pretending you can build anything that matters without fixing your supply chain. Every founder, every investor, every leader here knows it. Your products, your promises, your brand credibility are all on the line the minute someone down the line cheats, cuts corners, or hides the truth. You feel that rage, that frustration when you discover wretched conditions, toxic waste, or hollow claims that trash everything you tried to build. It's not just a bad PR moment. It's a systemic rot that's killing your mission, your trust, and your edge. But sitting still, hoping legacy systems will fix themselves? That's a lie. The real question is, can you shake this rotten foundation fast enough to keep ahead? The answer is yes, but only if you stop seeing ethical supply chains as some far-off ideal and start treating them like your fastest, sharpest weapon. You want to move lightning quick? Then stop playing by old rules. Don't just demand transparency, own it. Pin down every link with relentless audits that don't just tick boxes, but expose truth, brutal and raw. Integrate real-time tracking that shames slackers and bad actors out of the system. Build relationships that go beyond contracts, people who won't dare step out of line because they know you see everything. But here's the kicker. Ethical isn't just about being nice, it's about ruthless efficiency and fireproof brand trust. Do you realize how few companies actually connect the dots between ethics and profit? Most think it's a trade-off. They're dead wrong. Brand loyalty, resilience to scandals, rapid adaptability, these are yours if you rebuild with ethics baked in, not bolted on. Your supply chain has to be a living network of shared values and equal power, where alliances are real and accountability isn't a buzzword. Now the bold, non-obvious move, shift how you measure success. Stop obsessing over margins and speed alone. Start demanding data on supplier working conditions, environmental impact, and community benefits daily. Make it a deal breaker. Pressure isn't something you do once a year in audits. It's 24/7, embedded into every decision and every shipment. And don't settle for suppliers who only play along while watching you. Build collaborative partnerships that reward innovation in sustainability, quality, and social impact. That's how you get breakthroughs that disrupt entire industries overnight. Here's what almost nobody says out loud. Your network is your armor and your rocket fuel. You can't transform anything if you're stuck in old silos, in blind spots, in guesswork. Build direct lines to suppliers' teams, invest in their growth, share risks and gains openly. Treat them like teammates, not checkpoints. You'll crush delays, cut costs, and make your whole industry look slow and clumsy. Want to flip industries faster than anyone thought possible? Bring your entire supply chain into your mission. Demand shared ownership of your social and ethical goals. Push for open data and blockchain-backed traceability so fakes and cheats have nowhere to hide. Expect real-time proof, not polished reports. And don't stop there. Use your capital aggressively. Invest in new tech that tracks emissions, fair labor, and resource use second by second. Fund supplier training that elevates everyone's standards, not just your own. The companies that move fastest on this don't wait for governments or NGOs. They bleed their values into every link, forcing the whole chain to raise its game or get cut loose. This is your blueprint for lightning transformation. Unstoppable, data-driven ethics, real human connections, constant pressure, shared gains, and fearless investment. You're not building a supply chain. You're building a living, breathing force that kills inefficiency, exposes lies, and rallies change faster than anyone believes possible. Most won't act. They're stuck in old mindsets, scared to lose what little control they think they have. But you're not most people. You're the ones who will reset every standard, rewrite every rule, and do it with brutal speed because the survival of your mission, your brand, and your vision depends on it. This fight is ugly and hard, but goddamn necessary. There's no excuse to wait when the tools, the talent, and the truth are all in your hands. Take control of your supply chain today or watch your industry be reshaped by someone braver. No excuses, no delays, no mercy for the slow. This is how you transform at lightning speed. Now go do it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.